Alright, hey, this is Hans, and it's time for another episode of Unboxing Time with the Ramen Raider. This is the show where I show you what comes in the mail. And today I've got something from Taiwan. This is from a company called Little Couples. They have Taiwanese dry noodle varieties, and this is a new one they told me about. I'm excited to give it a try, so let's check it out and see what's inside. Oh, whoa. So this is something I haven't heard of before, I don't think. This is Little Couples Artisan Oolong tea noodle. And they included some documentation about it. It says here, Little Couples is from Chiayi, Taiwan. Chiayi? I'm not sure. I don't want to get it wrong. So they choose Alishan tea, which is the gold tea, which is a local cultural and agricultural product, and cultivate it with slow work and meticulous work. So they're very proud of this tea from the region that they hail from. Oh, they got some pictures of the area. Wow, this looks like a nice place. There's a picture of the prepared noodle. Looks like a neat place to visit. It says it's an international tourist destination as well. So yeah, definitely looking forward to giving these a try. There's another box in here though. I want to check that out. Oh wow, there's a nice pair of chopsticks and spoon and a very nice bowl. Wow, I wonder what that says. I wish I wasn't ignorant and didn't know how to read that, but yeah, this is really nice. Check that out. What a cool bowl. Thank you very much. I can't wait to, I'm gonna definitely put some of these noodles in here. Well, thank you very much to Little Couples for sending this along. Any chance that I get to try something new from Taiwan, I'm really excited about it, and this is no exception, so thank you. And this has been Hans the Ramen Raider, wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one. Bye.